WhatsApp has over 2 billion users worldwide, but there's a new app from India that's going viral and people are calling it the WhatsApp killer. It's called Arattai. But is it really safer or just another app doomed to fail? Let's find out. Arattai isn't brand new, it actually launched back in 2021. The word Arattai comes from Tamil and it literally means casual chat. Recently, downloads exploded, hundreds of thousands in just days. Why? Because it's backed by Zoho, the same company that built one of the biggest business software suites in the world. And in India, the government has been pushing Made in India apps as alternatives to big tech like Microsoft or Meta. That's how Arattai suddenly caught fire. So what does it actually do? Pretty much everything WhatsApp does. One-on-one messaging, group chats, photo and video sharing, status updates and channels, voice and video calls, even a built-in meeting feature like Zoom or Teams, which honestly is a cool addition. The design is clean, simple and almost identical to WhatsApp. If you've ever used WhatsApp, you can pick up Arattai in minutes. But here's the big red flag. Unlike WhatsApp, Arattai doesn't yet have end-to-end encryption for messages. Your voice and video calls are encrypted, but text messages aren't. That means if someone intercepted your chats, they could actually read them. On WhatsApp, all they'd see is scrambled code. This might sound like a small thing, but it's exactly why similar apps in the past, like Hike Messenger or Koo, failed. They had hype, millions of downloads, but when users realized privacy wasn't strong enough, trust was gone, and so were the apps. So here's the question. Will Arattai actually improve and become a serious rival to WhatsApp? Or will it just be another app that starts strong and fades away? Personally, I think the potential is there. Zoho is a solid company, but without full encryption, it's a tough sell when privacy is everything. What do you think? Would you ever switch from WhatsApp to a brand new alternative like Arattai? Let me know in the comments.